welcome back, guys. As you can tell, I got me a fresh cut. Been like 3 weeks. Brother ended up getting some wheels. There's a little, nothing crazy. They are used. They do have curb rash. There's some XXRs. So nothing fancy. Has brand new tires, which is good. He's gonna put them on his EK. He actually ended up having a G35 sedan. Yeah, he ended up selling it because he wants a pickup truck because he does have kids, and he ended up picking up this EK for dirt cheap. Like I said, it's not too bad. Body's okay. Has his own few like dinks here and there, but nothing crazy. Just has a little rust spot right there, but nothing too bad. Interior's pretty clean. It is a stick. The wheels are pretty trashy, so that's why we're gonna put those XXR 02s on there. See how the car's gonna look. Can't wait. So I'm gonna give him a hand on installing it. Probably put the camera somewhere where we record and get some footage for you guys. So that day of trying to pull my brother's wheels, we did have some difficulty. So his wheels came with like some lock nuts, and then the guy that he bought the vehicle did give him a key, but as you guys could see, the key actually broke. We had to take care of some stuff first before continuing back with the car. I went to AutoZone, picked up new like lock nuts because the ones that he had were pretty much like kind of rusted, and I didn't want to reuse them and then actually get the lug nut stuck in there. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how the car looks because we did put the wheels. It got super late, and my sister ended up getting a package for her car, and we're about to do an unboxing of it. It's nothing crazy, nothing special or anything, so I haven't even looked at it. I'm the one that ordered it. She didn't even know about it until like a day after I told her I got her something for her hatch. So let's get it open. Pull it.
Pull what?
I haven't seen anybody with this lip, so see how it looks.
What do you mean?
Yeah, because I didn't get what everybody usually gets, like a spoon wrap or a type R wrap. So then he that looks sick.
Right.
That's the important thing, stickers.
No stickers.
Not the package. Yeah, I think I told you it poked forward or not.
No, it's smooth.
We're about to see how it looks in the car. But it doesn't fit, it should fit. What are you talking about? I got it for this car only. I got mine.
I got mine. Alright, cool.
Hold on. Pick it up forward from the middle. Pick it up. Cause this, I know this one.
This shit dusty.
This is not a lip, so.
I know.
So that's one. Hold on. How does this go? Just in there? Cause hold on. This is how it goes in here. Oh, damn.
What? Upside down.
Huh?
Sounds like we're running into a problem already.
No, cause this is going to get screwed, you see? So I guess it does stay like this.
Oh, it doesn't cover the back thing?
No, I thought it goes like that.
Yeah.
But if you feel the actual the piece from the bottom, it just goes like that. Let me try to show you guys how it's supposed to look. Oh, come on, focus. So that's the one I had. I mean, that's the one I ordered. So, you want to install it right now or?
Yeah.
Alright, so I guess we are installing it today. Let's go. Let me show you guys. Oh, damn, there's no lighting. So, here's the lighting. Damn. It's gonna look sick. So, you ready to make the first hose?
No.
Oh, well. She screws up, guys.
It comes out quickly. I don't know.
Well, this is your car, I mean.
It's lopsided.
Yeah, can't wait, especially once it's in the ground. Ooh, it's gonna be sick. Okay, so here you go. Oh, just hold that still. Where's the screws? Until I get there. So. Let me hold this. Okay. So I feel like, oh damn, it came off. But once it's screwed in, because I want to try to see if we could cover that black line as much as we can, you know? Mm-hmm. So, I guess right there, just
right there?
Screw it in there.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. You about screw it in, guys. Just go slowly in there, right?
Okay.
Put some pressure. There you go. Okay. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now we just gotta get another one. Oh no, there's only one, huh?
There's only one.
Oh, that's crazy. Where's my tripod, guys? Just gotta find a way. I have a tripod, but it's not the best. One of the arms is broken. So. Try to do it straight. Move the drill till you go have it straight. There you go. Go right there.
What are you supposed to do with it?
I don't know. Go. There you go. Okay. Now we just need the clip to hold this thing. So, what we're doing here, guys. So we added this clips that came with it, and then we're adding these screws in here because she does still have the other tray, so fits perfectly. If you don't have that, then I don't know how you're gonna connect the bottom piece. So go ahead. Yeah, that's it. Once it's in there, that's it. You can't keep screwing it over because it'll just grab. There?
Yeah.
So you're just missing the ones under the jack?
Well, I'm just missing this one. So I'm gonna put it right now.
Well, what about the one on the jack?
No, I just put one that's close to the. You sure you put this one?
Yeah.
It's coming out.
But don't make it come out. Silly. The fitment's pretty good. There is a small, tiny gap. You guys can see it there. Well, on this side, there's no gap. I don't know. Overall, yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Overall, it's not bad. What do you guys think? We're just gonna try to put it down, so let's try to fix that real quick off camera, and then I'll turn it on. I mean, turn it back up the camera and try to see. You see the gap? But there's no gap over there, but yeah, it's not bad. So we were able to remove most of the gap. Still a tiny bit, but not noticeable. So you could lower it slowly.
I'm slamming.
So you remove all the jacks, right?
Yeah.
There's no jacks on the way. You put them all back? Okay.
Yeah.
So go. Drop it.
The jack doesn't come off first.
No, okay. The jack should come off.
You sure?
Yeah. You're not that low.
Okay. I was getting worried.
Woo! Yep. Sick. Okay.
Set.
So, You guys can see this is cars in the back. We did finish the lip, but like in the garage, I don't know if you guys were able to see. The lighting was kind of bad. But yeah, she was, you know, I made her do some screws here and there while I hold it. But like I said, that's what I'm gonna be teaching her. So here's how it looks better in the sun. To me, it looks way more aggressive in the front with this lip. So hopefully you guys enjoying the content.